Welcome back to my channel, Follow Wendy. Today we are going to visit one of the beautiful tourist attraction place in Taipei. That's Baishishu Suspension Bridge. This is so beautiful. It has couple of places to visit like Lovers Park, temple and some strawberry plantations. All of them today we are going to see in detail. Let's get into the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get into the video. So to travel to here, like we have to get off at the Nehu MRT and we need to take the S2 bus, which is a mini bus to see this place, and you need to get off at Bishanyan place, and from there even you can drive a car to there, and you have lot of parking space over there. Next to the parking space you can see this hang suspension bridge. This is actually 116 meters in length and it is the first largest span suspension bridge in Taipei city. Baishishu means like white rock lake in Mandarin, and this is located in the mountains of Nehu, Taipei, and this is around the elevation of 482 meters. It was once a village of the Ketangalan tribe, but the tribe has now vanished and the young people gradually moved to the city now. And there has been rice, tea, fruits, coal was the main productive merchandise in the White Rock Lake back. After the migration of the locals, the farms and mines were abandoned and the government has redeveloped the local farms and warehouses, helping the local people to transform the deserted into recreational farms. This place is also known as a strawberry picking, which is closest strawberry picking location, I could say, very near to Taipei city, and the season is like December to May. And this is the first bridge, as I said, like this is the first long span bridge in Taipei city. It was built by the Taipei City Hall due to the increasing visitors over the years in order to suit the heavy traffic over the strawberry picking. This bridge was carefully designed to correspond with the local sceneries. You can see many people have taken the photographs at this point, and we are now moving on to the Lovers Park. We are on the way to the Lovers Park. You have seen the narrow walkway to go to the Lovers Park. This is actually friendly, you can go with the kids and enjoy this wetlands also. This is called like wetlands, and you can see most of the people will be traveling during the weekends to this place. It's kind of one of the hiking places which is very easy to go. So we are going to the Lovers Lake Couples Tree to visit, and first we are visiting the Lovers Lake. If you go on season, you can see beautiful roses over there in that lake, but now you can just see the symbolic representation of heart shape, but while shooting this video I don't see any flowers there. I don't see much flowers actually. So this is the view. You can see the heart-shaped one. So this is the view. You can see a small heart-shaped one and the big one, and for visiting that there are few viewpoints to see this heart shape. And also I will try to link this proper with plantation of roses. I try to link it here. So this is the beautiful spot over there, and we went with our friends. So it was an enjoyable and memorable trip for us. So you can plan on a weekend, just go and enjoy the nature. Also you can just see a lot of greenery over there and lot of scenic places. As I said, like it was the high view for the mountains, so you can just go and enjoy. You can just enjoy the nature, and you can have multiple restaurants also, like case free or chicken meals available there. Now we are going to the couples tree, and you can see a lot of strawberry plantations over, but this is not the right time to visit for the plantations. Okay, now we are moving to couples tree. So one of the couple tree was lost during one of the typhoon last year. We can see only one now. You can see the bottle gourd has grown here on the climbers. It was very small, but you can see a lot of plants over here. As the local people are doing farming over here, you can see them. So I said, right, this is the one of the couple tree, and the other was lost. So you can see this one, and this place is special for scenic view of the mountains. You can see we have taken photographs over there, and these flowers also so famous in Taipei. You can see these pink flowers. So we are returning back from the suspension bridge to the temple now. So we are now entering into the Bixinyan temple. This is actually called Bixinyan Kaizeng Sheng Wang temple, which is in Nehu. So you have to walk little bit distance. So we are from the parking lot now. We have entered into the temple now. This temple will be open from 5 AM to 9:30 PM. Actually, we have started in the evening to see the beautiful view of the evening lights of the city. It was actually so beautiful. You can see the entire city, like it was around 6 or 6:30 PM in the evening. Still we are waiting for the lights. Meanwhile, we can go and take a look at the temple. So this is the architecture of the temple. You can see here we have reached to the top of the hill, and this is one of the viewpoint. You can see the entire city here, and many people have been waiting from this place to see the beautiful evening here, and they enjoy the cool breeze over here. So we have also taken some of the pics here, and this is the temple inside view. By the time we have visited the temple, it was almost closed, but they helped us to visit the temple, and so we just entered the temple and visited the god. We have already seen one of the Hindu temples in Taipei city. I will try to link it in the description box if you want to check it out. This is another beautiful temple you can see here. If you have chance to visit Taipei or Taiwan, please do visit this temple specially, and this is one of the good place to hike, and it's not so bad to hike. It's so easy, the steps are not too steep. Wow, look at this, so beautiful. Finally we have waited for long and to see the lights of the city. Thanks for watching my channel. If you forgot to click on the subscribe button, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.